an extent. So you can see after that, price began to move. Price began to move. You can see here it respected the moving average. Here it also respected the moving average. And at this point, it also respected the moving average. Same thing here. So the blue moving average was our trading stock until price came here and smashed our tick. Okay, so this is that how I do use this strategy. One of the easiest strategies we find out today, and this works with a very high win rate. Alright, it works with very high win rate. So let me show you exactly how to get this moving average on your chart. If you want to get this moving average on your chart, what you need to do is to log into your trading view. When you log into your trading view, you're going to see your chart like this without the moving average. Okay, so it's going to be like this without the moving average. So what you do is go to this place where the roads indicators, click on it, and then type just EMB. Then you're going to see this first one, this very first one, moving average. Click on it, it's going to appear here. So me, I already have it here, the one I set up already, which is, you can see this is the main chart. This is the one I'm using. So to you now how I set it up, how to set it up. This come to the setting here, this setting icon here, click on it. This. So check this smoothing line, and then come to input this and select 40. Okay, 40. That's what. Then leave every other thing. Come back here. One time bigger. Let's make okay. That's it. Then bigger. Yeah, this is the color, the way it is. So leave other settings and see them here. Leave other settings. Don't change anything on the visibility. Okay, so then click done. Okay, one more thing. So you have the 50. Alright, and to 50. That one is 40. This one here is 50. Make sure you then click. That is it. So good. You have it. This is the chart. This is the image. It's exactly the same with this one. You have it right. So this guys, if you guys don't forget to smash the like button, Telegram channel, the link box, or on my TikTok. Okay, so Patrick saying get better.
Things to play out, but wait for it and then make rush into the triggers, take markets. Okay, so patience is, have this knowledge, patience, be disciplined or price to do it. Price has finished and then giving you the setup you want, can execute your trade. So if you don't mind, like the description box, use channel, click and jump for tutorial free. Also check this, watch more like this.
So after watching of news events, amazing, used 100% errors that carry 99%. So quickly realize this and provide all the minus 99% and allow me to do my 3 and I'm able to the market. Take a sell. I'm going to take a sell, take some sales to hit, make 100. So I'm going to take already the market move because it's still fine. Sell and I'm in the street because for my back test my need to work 49%, 100% accurate. It is already moving my FSB. So it is already that can see that this is just how it works. We have made the market. You don't need to start doing some, you don't need to do any technical how to just right way of the business is from 9 to 5 still the news. All like my alarm news time, I plan what the loss size once is I hit buy or sell. Within I close my trade and wait for that news time. I do my work, so I'm a mentorship. So me is learn it how to do it. Then so we'll be trading it, building whatever I do would have 4 times. Trade as dollars,
$8
a week. Let's to do the mentor segment. Let's start.
Telegram completely free and get tutorials also. To the link on box and TikTok on my the guys look and you will see to run account of $1,000. See how far we are going to take account to. Okay, this account with $1,000 doesn't mean it must be $1,000. Also run it on the $50 or $200 account depending on how much you have. So all you need to do is contact me via Telegram link. My Telegram link is in the description box, and also in my Telegram it's WhatsApp link. Okay, where you can also message me via Telegram. Telegram link in the description box. You can use my WhatsApp, message me on WhatsApp or message, and you'll be able to reach me. Get this across to you. This robot works amazing, right? And once you install it on your system and attach it to it, you don't do anything again. Okay, make sure it's attached to your MT. Any you want it to trade any instrument. Basically we are trading VIX 75 right now. Okay, you are trading VIX 75 right now. You can see how it's moving to 4,300 already. So this is to show you that this robot works wonders. It works. Okay, now first you need to know about this robot is that stop loss. The robot takes trade and sets stop loss automatically, and also takes sets take profit automatically. And again, once the trade is in your favor and has gone to an extent in your favor, it moves the stop loss to a break-even point to protect your capital, so you don't be in profit for losing it. So that's how stuff is. Like now is now let's see, yeah, just to break-even point. Okay, so if it goes back close, but this seems to be going profit. Okay, this one goes, it might see the take profit, goes back, it just hit the break even. Right, that's how this way. So target here you can see is 1:3 risk. We actually hit it and it is 1:3 the show, which means if you are risking, you are going to be 3 hours. That robot works, and you can have your profits. All right, you can, according to what you want. So your lot size, it's according to this and according to yours. Okay, some people like to risk it. Because of that, we have made it easily adjust and tell the what to be risking. This works and go to sleep for you. It automatically executions is to just come money. That's via Telegram. The link is in the description. Click the link automatically to my Telegram. You can also see my link there, and also in case you want to reach me. So that's just amazing. You can see we are up to 9,000 already.
This is going to announce solution age lessons in the now you're this because I'm going to be taking secret for people you're trading. Pay a smash it and you're gonna help the challenge. Let's show you a strategy that from this. Okay, now here you can we have this a trade we see right here. It is trade to reward ratio. We have this simple strategy of using average, as you can get average, the E40. Now, full setup on it. As you can see, there are 2 lines here. Blue line, orange color. This thing will work perfect. Let's go straight. This is the first example here. How price was moving here above the main averages, trending above this move, especially a orange colored moving. This is observed. Price has been above the colored moving average. That is what you want to observe. After observing that, next thing you want to observe is blue moving average cross the orange colored moving average. Now, as soon as you see this, make sure you take your trade immediately. Now, when you take the cross below this position, this is the third position. When you take your cross below, your stop loss above the high. That is okay. This is the third scenario. Stop loss should come above this most recent. This is the most recent. So your stop loss should come above it, right here. Then this is the cross resistance which was around this area. So we took the trade right here, and you can see price dropped here, came back a little, and you can see the sharp, and we got about 1:3 risk reward. It's exactly how this works, guys. So if you were of this strategy, then you are sleeping on the bicycle. You are sleeping on it. See the next one. This is a buy scenario. Okay, take note of this game, guys. For a sell scenario, to be trading above the orange colored moving average. Price have to be traded above the old average. I am repeating it for emphasis. Now, one rule is that you must see the blue average cross below the orange moving average, just as we have here. Now, when you see the cross, it is sell signal. So sell that cross below. Okay, yourself. The next thing is your stop, like your stop. So where you is and high that you at your left hand side. The most recent high by your left hand side. That's the stop for you to place your stop. Then your must a minute to 2 risk. Now there are 2 ways in this. I start moving in my favor and has moved in my favor. I will start the moving average, rather this orange colored moving average, because most of the time as a trend line. So I will use to trail. That's my trailing stop. If I see that affecting this village, I will not be at my training stop most of the time. So here I was targeting. I told you must target a 1:2, but you can target more. Targeted 1:3 price profit, very easy to hit moving average. I'm already out, so very simple. Price scenario. See here, price has been trading the moving average. Have opportunity to, you know that you are waiting for a buy. When price is trading the orange colored moving average, are not looking to sell. Okay, because take and retest strategy. Alright, retest strategy. Price came and broke above it, closing above it, and came back where you got this the crossover. You got the crossover. Right, so you take your trade. When you take your trade, then look behind you at the left, you see that's where you place your stop loss. So this is my stop loss. This is the, so I placed my stop and I went for 1 reward ratio. Because if you look, that was the previous high from the higher time. I also higher time frame. It is that hard to place my target. And when I placed my target, so was trailing it with my moving average. Price has been expecting each and has traded both of them. So I allowed it to continue in my favor. I was just the price hit my take profit. Price didn't hit my take profit. It's around here, down to closing below the moving average. Price has been respecting it as well. Price has been respecting it. So this is exit my example. This is also a buy scenario. Okay, so at about this point, price has been trading below the, and then at about this point, broke above it, closed above it. So we waited for it, and then we took our trade. Price was going to come back right here, then below this low. When my stop, as you can see, the line is to 6 risk here. So when we enter, you can see how price was dangling around here. So when you are still starting your trade is still very young, moving average is top, because it is going to be above the moving average. It's going to be below it, above and below it. This as a trailing stop. the headway. So you have to move to an extent in your favor before you touch. That is why you will know the moving average is respecting. Here you can't tell which one is respecting anything here. You will not use here drilling price has moved to an extent. That price began to move, respected the blue moving average. It also respected the blue moving average. At this point, it also respected average. Same thing. The blue moving average clearly stopped and came here and smashed up. Okay, so this is like how I do. It is one of the easiest we find out today, and with a very rate. Alright, it's high win rate. Let me show you exactly this moving average on your chart. Moving average on your chart. What you need to do? Trading view. What into your trading view? You should have the moving average. Okay, so that the moving average. Do is go the root indicator, see it, and then EMB. This first one, this moving average. Click on it. It will appear here. We have it here. The one I said is this one. See, this is the main. This is the one I'm using. See you now how I set it up. How to set. So you're going to do is in here. This here. Click on it like this. Soup box. Okay. Smoothing it, and then come to input. Click and select in 40. That's what I want. Leave every. You want bigger. Okay. And you want to also make this one. Yeah. The color. So other settings, the way here, leave other settings, don't change anything on the ability. Okay, so just click done. Okay, one more thing, increase the lens to lens to fit. Remember on that one, for this one here, make sure you increase it to 50. Done. That is it. So good. You have it. This is the chart. This is the image. It's exactly this. So it's here. So this is just how to set it up, guys. You got value from this video, punch like button and channel, the link box via TikTok. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. It can only get better.
Be sure you can and very easily address the market and find credit solution. As you can see, my 151 in there, the 15 minutes time exactly take this. The price is totally very soon. So as in I structure at about this price broke structure and then it was coming down. This came down returning versus it was pattern the high made the and then pushed up this giving us a, and then came down a make push made and then dropped low just like making high here. What happened here at about this was this other block. So when price exactly where shown on the look at what happened, dropped somewhere, drop and then slow, then price and wipe this level, sweep off. So price was really got a lot of tops here. Price broke this low, giving a break of drop, went up again, both dropped. He made double, then one high. I entered here. This quickly enter and see how dropped out to this. No, take at about this. We'll take at about this. This is how you process very. This is that sometimes I'm saying for this, but for it and then for you. You know the markets you have this not happening enough to do it and then give it with your trade. So video like notification bell, Telegram channel or tutorials free also check and watch.
As a result for our news, it can match this only because of I cannot say 90% because I sell as soon as I have buy which because so mine is 9%. And this is me trading life. All is to analysis. First factor and I'm able to hear as is okay. So I'm going to take some target is to hit like it on this. I'm going to take some see the amount of move. I'm going to take some straw because for my and my it's proven to wine see partner like operate. So you can move in my FSB it is also that can see that this is just how it works like very good money. Don't need to start doing analysis, even make analysis just alright. Best do your 85 job, do your just all like my alarm news time, do on to time, it's for say according and short time and holiday. That's just what I do. My rule. So I'm hosting news. So it's just okay. I will teach like one trading. Believe me, whatever it costs, enjoy the money of recovered it. Multiple use as $5 with
or even $5.
Message me now. Then
join my Telegram, which is more education there. If you're link box on TikTok, I link. Help look and you will send robot on $1,000. How far we are account. Okay, so count it 1,000 must be 1,000. Run it on $100 accounting on how much. Okay, so is via my Telegram. The link is in the description. And you also find my what do you call link. You can also reach me via Telegram. Just click in the description box. You can use my WhatsApp, message me on WhatsApp or Telegram, and you'll be able to reach me across to you. Okay, this robot works amazing. And once you install and attach it to life, you don't need anything again. Okay, just make sure it's on your piece to MT5. Then attach to trade. Basically, we are trading Vietnam. Okay, Vietnam. So you can see how his account is up to 4,000 already. So this is to show it works really well. Okay, now just need to know about this. The and sets and also takes profit automatically. Once the trader extends, you moves the stop even point to capital and end up again. That's how amazing this now is. Let's see the stop loss to break. Okay, so now it will just and break even. Seems to be going fit. So let's see how this will take profit. Goes back, it just, and you will know right that's okay. So the time you can see it risk reward really hits take and it is one is what the show, which means $1,500 are getting a profit of 300. That's how this works, and you can your take profits. All right, according to also yes, you can adjust it size and accordance. Okay, much some people like, so because of that we have been easily at size and what to be risking. That's how this works. It and go to sleep ready for you. It's automatically do the executions. Your own is to join and withdraw your money. So contact me the description box. I'll be taking out the channel. WhatsApp, you can click it WhatsApp in case you want the help. So this robot is amazing with 9,000 already. So that's just it, guys.
It's to the struggle many trading trader for you video is help and you need to this subscribe. Let's go straight. Let me extract move to this. Okay, in the chart here we have this is a trade, and as you can see right here, and it's to trade it toward direction. We have this same moving average is the moving average A slightly. I am going to show you this strategy. There are two lines, the blue line, the orange line. This they work. So let's go straight. The first example. This is the thing. You can see here above this price was still this. You can see the sharp, and we got 1:1 ratio. Exactly how this strategy. So if not aware of this strategy, to be on my hand. So let's see a buy scenario, guys. This is the okay. Take note of this game, guys. For a sales price have to be above the colored moving. Price have to be the orange colored moving. I am repeating it for emphasis. So the second rule is that for you to sell, you must colored moving across below the colored moving, just as we have here. Alright, now when you see A now, so you are going to as soon as you see low. Next thing is where like your stop. So where is stand high that you at your left hand. The most you can see by your left hand is stop the place, the left place, your stop loss. Then you take profit B. A minute is to 2. Now there are my profits in this. Price starts moving in my favor, extent in my favor. I will start using average. This orange colored moving, because most of it has a trend line. So trail the stop. I see that price is respect blue moving average. Use the blue moving average. So that's how I do it. Okay. So for here, like a minimum of do risk reward ratio more. So here I type one is to 3 risk reward, and I can price it very easily before going it or to close the average. Be out of so very simple. It's a buy scenario. You can see here price has below the most, so you have buy. Okay, you know that you buy when below the orange average. not looking to sell, you are looking because with the test strategy or pre-carried strategy. So you can see, so broke above it, closing above, that's where you got sober. So you got the crossover, and so you take your trade here, then look at the left, you see the low, that's where you place your stop loss. So this is my stop loss is so I place right there and to 5 risk reward ratio. Alright, because it's line here, I was just high frame. I looked at it, that's why I target here. Place my target here. I was trailing the stop with my moving average. As you can see, has been expecting the blue and has been trading above them. So I allowed it to continue in my favor. I was just trailing it, hit my take profit. It hit my take profit around here and the closing below the moving average. That has been respecting it as well. That has been respecting. So this exit. Another example, this is also a buy scenario. Okay, so you can see what happened below the moving average. This point price broke above it and closed above it, crossover here. Basically I come back actually, so I took then my stop low this low. When my stop loss came, as you can see, then I tagged 6 risk reward ratio. So at about this dance, you can see how price was, just here it was consolidated. So at this point, when you're taking you will not use this